Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to improve your YouTube titles based off what is ranking and what is actually doing very well. So what we see here is sort of the back end of my YouTube channel, and I'm not a YouTube expert by any means. I know content, I create content, and YouTube is just a platform to share it. That is what YouTube is for me. If it grows, amazing. If you find value in videos like this, like it, subscribe. At the end of the day, I'm not an expert in this, but I understand analytics. I understand data. I understand persuasive messaging. I understand the intent of hitting home against pain points for users. And if that means nothing to you, don't worry. But it all goes into creating amazing titles and content that's meaningful for people. As a marketer, as a business person, as a professor, you have to understand that. So for me, within my YouTube channel here, I'm going through and basically I was like, well, wait a second here. How can I use ChatGPT to improve my titles and go through that? So basically this is one I just did, and I'm going to show you what I did in ChatGPT and how I did it. So the first thing I did was I looked at, well, what YouTube videos do I have and what is working, what's not working, meaning how many views, and it's such a new channel, I don't have a ton of views, which is completely fine. But I was like, is that a part of my titles? Are my titles not working well? So this specific video was basically how to prompt ChatGPT. And it was about how to communicate, how to prompt with ChatGPT itself. And the original title for this video was, ChatGPT, how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT. It's a practical title. It makes sense. It is what the video is about, but is it really meaningful that's going to get people to be focused on it, to understand it? And does it resonate with people? Well, that's where I thought, well, how can I use ChatGPT to fix this or at least improve this? So this is what I did. The first thing I did was I went to YouTube and I typed in how to prompt ChatGPT, which is technically what the video is about. Then the second step was super simple. Remember, ChatGPT is just a natural text language model. So if you add in text, if you add in written text in words, you can analyze that data. So all I did was copy. I just went highlight, copy, and I copy and pasted, I think about the first 30-ish responses or videos. Now, I copied everything. I didn't go through the details. Yes, so sometimes there are ones where it's different areas and focuses, but these are all the most prevalent videos connected to how to prompt ChatGPT based off of YouTube as a search engine. So, first step was identifying a video that had a title that was okay, but wasn't amazing. The second step was saying, let's search in YouTube and see what videos come up. After I copied that, just directly copy, I went to ChatGPT and I pasted it in. If those are those responses. I said, I did a YouTube search for how to prompt ChatGPT, and I even spelled it incorrectly, but Chat knew what I was saying. ChatGPT, and these are the top results. And I pasted it in directly. I just pasted, didn't edit, change anything. And then in that same prompt, I said, here is my title for my video that teaches how to prompt ChatGPT. And I wrote the title, ChatGPT, how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT. And that was my title. And then I said, based on the data, what should my title be to get the most clicks for people who are looking to learn this or is interested in this? And Chat said, based on the data that I just copy and pasted directly from YouTube, based on the data, the title that may get the most clicks for people who are looking to learn how to prompt ChatGPT could be 10x your results with better prompts, a ChatGPT guide, as it is the highest views and engagement within a shorter duration of time. Additionally, it mentions 10x, which is a popular marketing term to grab attention. Or the potential titles to consider are complete ChatGPT tutorial, become a powerful user in 30 minutes, or the ultimate beginner's guide to prompt engineering with ChatGPT, a ChatGPT tutorial. And I said, okay, so then I actually used this and I grabbed this as my title. If you notice here, I changed the title to be 10x your results with better prompts with ChatGPT guide. I was like, perfect. So it's definitely connected to the title, the content, and Chat gave me that based off of the results of what is ranking for that phrase, based off of what my video is about. And then I did have a description, and I was like, great. What if Chat can easily write a description for me based off my content, because I've written that in. So then I basically said, what would be a good video description with tags for my video? And said, here's a video description that with some potential tags on how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT. Because remember, it is still, my video is about how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT. So then ChatGPT wrote an actual description. Are you looking to learn how to communicate effectively with ChatGPT? In this video, we'll cover some essential tips and tricks for prompt engineering with ChatGPT, which is essentially what's doing my video is about. So you can get the most out of this powerful AI tool, from understanding the interface to using blah, 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 and then a bunch of actual hashtags that are connected to it, which make complete sense. So hopefully for you, understanding the simplicity of this, if we see ChatGPT as a tool that if you put text inputs into it, you can get analysis and information and analysis from that, then really the sky is the limit. And you still have to obviously read through it and make sure the data makes sense. But for every video, I'm going to go through and look at my channel. Like I said, it's a brand new channel. If I rank, awesome. If not, it is what it is. But I would love to grow because I want this information to be there for people. So if you notice here, very new channel. I'm going to go through and practice the data. Like all of this data is here. We can play with this. I can go to my analytics. I can look at what's happening and basically create some good insights that ChatGPT can give me from that data. All you have to do is copy and paste the data into ChatGPT and prompt it with some meaningful prompts like, give me some insights, here's what I'm looking to do, and you can get some direction for what way to go. Now, important things to think of here. You can do this on your own. You don't even have to use ChatGPT, but it's going to take longer. It's going to take a sound mind to understand what you're looking for. The point behind this video is not to give you the best way to do it. It's to speed up your time, to be more efficient, to use this tool, and to maybe get different insights you didn't otherwise think of, okay? So anyways, hopefully that was helpful, how to improve, obviously, and get meaningful insights for your titles for ChatGPT for your videos. But regardless, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And more importantly, have a great day, guys.